Welcome back to the desk of the 21st century educator. Today, I'm about to show you how to create beautiful professional presentation for free. You don't need an editing skill. You don't need an expensive software. All you need is just ChatGPT and Canva. If you've ever struggled with slide, this will change how you work. So, let's jump right in. Stop wasting hours trying to design a presentation. What if I told you you can build a beautiful professional presentation in minutes for free using ChatGPT and Canva? Learn how to use ChatGPT to create your slide content and then instantly turn them into a stunning presentation using Canva. First, open ChatGPT. Ask it to generate your presentation structure. Example, I asked it to create a 10-slide presentation with titles and bullet points. In seconds, ChatGPT gave me all the content I need. Next, open Canva. Go to Canva Docs and simply paste the content you got from ChatGPT. And here comes the magic. Click Convert to Presentation. Choose a design style and Canva automatically turns your text into beautifully designed slides. You can easily change colors, fonts, images or layouts. Just click and customize. No design skills needed. Once you are done, you can download it as PDF or PowerPoint or present directly from Canva. Here is the difference. A plain text on one side and a stunning presentation on the other, created in minutes. Now for the pro tips. Be specific in your ChatGPT prompt. Use fewer words per slide. Let visuals do the talking and choose consistent colors and fonts. If this helped you save time, hit like, subscribe for more smart tech tips, and comment Canva for my free prompt list.